So this is tile, the unit, right? So the tile is here. I'm going to make it into a tile component, right? That's what I want to do. Tile Svelte, and then tile Svelte should go to A-frame components molecule. Yep. It should take export. What is it? Let tile type. So this tile component has a text. I don't need the text anymore, and a plane. This is a wireframe equals true, and I'm gonna create another component, and it's not an wireframe, but it's a highlight, and visibility is false by default, and position, it's actually 0.010, so it's slightly lifted above the ground, and opacity is 0.5, so it's translucent. Okay, so and then what I'm going to do, okay, so let's give tile on information, and so when the unit component's clicked, it's gonna make the highlight, right? So but it's going to querySelector dot highlight. So if I click this, it's going to, no, it's not gonna, oh right, visibility, visible, true or real true. Perfect. Great. So making it white is unnecessary anymore. Where is it? After animations, so style component. After animation is finished, then it's done. And L query selector or highlight for each L, set attribute visible, false. Yeah. Okay, so clicking this should disable unit triangle. Well, the color should always be red from the beginning, but I don't really care. So so clicking this triangle, if the triangle is clicked, and then direction. Okay, so direction. So direction is not correctly set because it's direction should be reset. Switch Okay, so this L get attribute rotation. So final rotation Y. Case no, like 0 and case 360. Units update this unit ID rotation, no, not rotation, direction. Yes. Okay, so case 0. Okay, so 90 or 450. If it's 90 degrees, it's east. Sorry. And if it's 800 and 540, then it's north. If it's 270 or 630, then it's west. That will be the final direction of this unit. Okay, so then this L query selector all a triangle for each L as visible false. Direction, okay. This is it. Visible. Let's do it. Let's do it. Huh. I'm happy. So this is looking good.